Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hi everyone, we are here and we would like to welcome you for the series of LKG. We are here to cover the age group of 4 to 5 years. And I am Swati from Footprints welcomes you to our channel. We are going to learn lots of things today. There will be some interesting activities, there will be some interesting experiment, and we are going to use lots of materials over here. So, should I start now? But you have to promise one thing, you have to first watch the full video and like, share and subscribe our channel to see more videos like this. So let's start. We will explore the materials first. Let's explore the materials. So you can see the materials. We have a lot of material here. A shoe box, empty shoe box. There's one paper cup. String. This is child-friendly scissor. I'm going to use this scissor, but for the child it's always better to use child-friendly scissors. The masking tape, one pen, A4 sheet that I have folded like this. So what are we going to make today? We are going to make seismometer. Seismometer, are you actually confused? What is seismometer? Seismometer is what? Seismometer is when there's an earthquake. To measure the intensity of the earthquake, we use seismometer. For this, we are using all these things. How do you know that there is going to be earthquake happen? So this is how the scientists tell us that there is going to be earthquake which is going to happen. So we can measure the intensity of earthquake. Accordingly, we can prepare for it. Okay, so we will start with exploring the objects. We do in high scope curriculum, we do follow active learning. Active learning consists 5 major elements. In those 5 major elements, there is one element. For us, it's always better to allow the children to explore the materials. If they touch the material, if they see the material by themselves, they find it more interesting to do the activity properly. So let them explore the objects, let them explore all the materials one by one and understand what we are going to use and how we are going to use it. It actually makes them curious to understand the experiment we are going to do. So let us start then.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
So we are going to use this shoe box, empty shoe box, which is reusable. Rather than buying it new, we are using this one. And with this, we have string. What are we going to do is we will tie this string in this paper cup. See, there are 2 holes in this paper cup. Okay, so we are going to put the string inside this hole. Done. And we are going to take it like this. And cut the string from here. Remember, you have to use child-friendly scissor. The glass is like this. The strings are here. Now we will put this string from this shoebox. With the help of the pen, it's always better to take a pen . Same we are going to do from the other side. See, now we have this. This is how it looks like. What we are going to do is, we are going to make one more hole in this glass. See, now the pen is out here. Are you finding it interesting? Let's see what is going to happen here. We will tie this. We are going to tie this. Yeah. Tie, tie, tie. You can help the kids, help the child, or you can take help of some adult to do the tie part. Okay? We are going to cut slits in this shoebox. Okay? So we are going to cut from here. Remember, if you are using the scissor, it's okay. But if your child is using it, it's always better if you prefer child-friendly scissor. See, we have cut slits here. We will put a A4 sheet here. It goes like this. Yeah, done. So now we have to shake it slowly and see what the magic is happening. Yes, you can see the wiggle lines here. See, lots of lines here. So basically, we use seismometer to measure the intensity of earthquake. So this is how we do it. So I would like to add one quick note here. While using this box or doing this experiment, please make sure the sharp edges of the box is covered by this masking tape so that your child don't get hurt with this. Thanks for watching our video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to see more videos like this.